Let's learn invisible decreasing crochet. Take single crochet as an example. Crochet through a stitch. It's time for the yarn to go through these 2 coils. But now we need to complete the invisible decreasing crochet. Combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Then we put in the next stitch. Yarn pull out. There are 3 coils on the crochet. We wound it all at once. This is the invisible decreasing crochet. 2 stitches and 1 stitch. Take another look. Crochet through the first stitches. Yarn pull out. Crochet then through the second stitch. Yarn pull out. When there are 3 coils on the crochet winding passes through at one time. That's it.